Consumers Energy is keeping a close eye on the snow and high winds in the forecast and is making sure crews are ready if blustery wind gusts lead to power outages. Consumers says its storm restoration team has been monitoring the system since last week. They believe the most serious impact will be along the Lake Michigan shore and all over West Michigan area. The biggest threat they're keeping tabs on are high winds that could knock out power.
Typically, snow is not a big concern for power lines because oftentimes it just falls right off the lines and off the equipment. But if you do see those high winds, 50 miles per hour, those sorts of gusts, that's where it can do some damage and actually take down some equipment.
Consumers says to make sure you're keeping your electronics charged and have flashlights available in case you lose power. To keep track of outages and to receive notifications about restoration updates, download the Consumers Energy app. Our team